नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बोर्ड्स पेपर बघणार आहोत नोव्हेंबर 2020 चा. यामध्ये असणारी सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स मी तुम्हाला डिटेलमध्ये एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. निश्चितच तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये त्याचा फायदा होईल. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. ओके, दी फर्स्ट question number 1A. For each of the following sub question, 4 alternative answers are given. Choose the correct alternative and write its alphabet. Here the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Angle A is 45 and Q is 87. Then what is angle C? Okay. Now see this here. The first triangle, we take the triangle. This is the triangle ABC. And another triangle, it is a PQR. If I write here A, B and C. Next is a P, Q, R. These two triangles are similar. Means what? Angle A is congruent to angle P. Therefore, the measure of angle A is 45. P is also 45. Next, angle Q is 87. Angle Q is 87. And therefore, angle B is also 87. Okay. Now, what will be the remaining angle? Now, the sum of 45 plus 87. Okay. And take that sum and subtract from 180. या दोघांची टोटल करणार आणि आपण ते 180 मधनं मायनस करणार. 45 plus 87. Okay. This is the 12, 1 and 132. Therefore, the 180 minus 132. Then you will get here the measure of angle C is 48 degree. And hence the option C is the correct one. Okay. Now the next question. Angle PRQ is inscribed in arc PRQ of a circle with center O. If angle PRQ is 75, then what is the measure of arc PRQ? Now see this here. We'll draw the circle. Circle upon draw it. Okay. Next, angle PRQ. This is the angle PRQ. PRQ is inscribed the arc PRQ. Okay. Measure of angle PRQ is equals to 75. Okay. Now what is the measure of arc PRQ? Measure of arc PRQ. Now as the measure of angle PRQ is 75, therefore measure of arc this PQ is 150 by inscribed angle theorem. आता measure of arc इथे PQ जर 150 असेल तर remaining किती असेल? The total is 360. 360 minus 150. Then you will get the measure of arc PRQ is equals to 210. 360 मधनं 150 minus करणार. Therefore, the measure of arc PRQ is equals to 210. Therefore, the option D is a correct one. Next, a line makes an angle of 60 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So, the slope of the line. Okay. Now, see this here, the coordinate geometry. Okay. This is the coordinate geometry. These are the x-axis and y-axis. The given line makes an angle of 60 degree. Suppose this is the measure of angle 60 degree. Okay. Then what is the slope of the line? मग slope कसा find out करणार? That is m is equals to tan of theta, means what? Tan 60. And tan 60 is equals to root 3. Okay. Therefore, the slope of the given line is root 3. Hence, the option C is a correct one. Okay. Now, the next question. Radius of a sector of a circle is 5 centimeter. Length of arc is 10 centimeter. Then the area of the sector. इथे आपल्याला radius दिलेला आहे. Okay. And the length of arc. Okay. By using the radius and length of arc, we can find out area of the sector. A is equals to 1 upon 2 L into R. L into R. Okay. And that is 10, 1 upon 2, 10 into 5. Okay. You will get here 25. 25. इथे युनिट काय वापरलंय तर सेंटीमीटर. Therefore the 25 centimeter square. म्हणून इथे चुकवण्यासाठी मीटर स्क्वेअर पण दिले. Okay. Here is the option B is a correct one. Okay. Now the next question. या प्रकारे तुम्ही आन्सर लिहिणार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे. ऑप्शन 1. 1 साठी काय आन्सर किती आलं त्याचं? C. Okay. This is the correct one. Now the next D for the second, third C, and fourth B, and in this way you will get the full credit. Okay. Now the next question. In the figure, segment AB is perpendicular to BC, segment DC perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to 3, this is the 3, CD is equals to 4. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. आता या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल साठी बेस BC कसा आहे तर कॉमन आहे. Therefore their ratio of their areas depends on their height. Okay. And that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equals to 3 by 4. Now we'll solve this. Okay. Triangle ABC and the triangle DCB have the same base. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equals to AB upon DC, triangles with equal base, and that is nothing but 3 by 4, and this is the answer. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle B is equals to 75, then find angle D. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic, angle B plus angle D is equals to 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary असतात. Therefore 75 degree plus D is equals to 180. Therefore angle D is equals to 180 minus 75, and then you will get 105 degree. Okay. Now the next question is the question of points ABC are collinear. If slope of AB is minus 1 upon 2, then the slope of BC is equals to. As the points are collinear, if we take any the line, okay, this is the line. आणि याच्यावरती कुठलेही दोन points. This is the A, B, and the C. When the points are collinear, the slope of AB is equals to slope of BC is equals to slope of AC. म्हणून काय तर slope of BC देखील किती असणार आहे? That is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Slope of line AB is minus 1 upon 2. Slope of line BC is equals to slope of line AB, and hence the slope of BC is minus 1 upon 2. Now the next, if 3 sin theta is equals to 4 cos theta, find the value of the tan theta. Easy question आहे तो. इथे cos theta इथे 4 ला मल्टिप्लाइड आहे, तो या बाजूला आणणार राइट लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. इट विल sin theta upon cos theta. 3 इथे मल्टिप्लाइड आहे, तो इकडे अंतर डिवाइड होणार. Sin theta upon cos theta is a tan theta, and tan theta is equals to 4 by 3. Okay, this is the value of the tan theta. And in this way, we have completed the question number 1. या क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 साठी किती वेळ लागला पाहिजे तर मल्टिपल चॉईस साठी तुम्हाला 7 मिनिटं दिले पाहिजे तुम्ही, आणि आन्सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B साठी 15 मिनिट्स, and therefore टोटल 22 मिनिटात हा तुमचा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 संपला पाहिजे. परंतु त्याआधी पेपर मिळाल्यानंतर तुम्ही 5 मिनिट पेपरचं वाचन करायला पाहिजे. रीड द क्वेश्चन पेपर, and then the time for the question number 1 is 22 minutes. Now the next, complete the following activity and rewrite. Okay, any 2 असतात त्यामध्ये. You have to solve any 2 and 4 marks is given. Now here, in triangle ABC, D is a parallel to BC. D हा BC ला parallel आहे. AD is equals to 6. Okay, D is equal DB is 9. EC 7.5. Then complete the following activity to find AE. AE आपल्याला find out करायचा आहे. Activity in triangle ABC, segment D is a parallel to segment BC. Therefore, AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC by basic proportionality theorem. इथे तुम्ही answer लिहिणार basic proportionality theorem. Then what is that here? 6 upon 9 is equals to AE upon what is the EC? It's a 7.5. Okay. And the next cross multiplication. With a multiplication करणार. That is the A is equals to 6 into 7.5 upon. This is the 9. And then finally, after the calculation, write the value of AE. Okay. तर तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय the answers. The first, काय होतं तिथे? Basic proportionality theorem. Next, the value of EC. And the next, A is equals to 6 into 7.5 upon 9. इथे तुम्हाला क्रेडिट मिळेल. And here the multiplication. The multiplication easy आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही ते साइडला या ठिकाणी करू शकता. 6 into 7.5 upon 9. Okay. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2 into 7.5, you will get here 15. 15 upon 3, you get here 5. And hence, A is equals to 5. If to be correctly, then you will get the full credit of the 2 marks. Half mark for the each fill in the blank. प्रत्येकासाठी अर्धा marks दिलेला असतो. Okay. Now the next activity. In above figure, chord AB and the chord CD intersect each other at the point D. If A is equals to 15, the 15, and EB is equals to 6, CE 12. Then complete the activity to find the value of ED. Chord AB and the chord CD intersect each other at the point D. Okay. And therefore here CE into ED is equals to AE into AB. इथे त्याला reasoning कार्य करणार. Theorem of internal division of the chord. Okay. Next, you have to substitute the values. What is the value of CE? C is 12. 12 into ED. A is a 15 into 6. Therefore, ED is equals to. या दोघांचं multiplication. We get here 90. Okay. आणि मग ते simplify करणार. That is here the 90 upon 12. Okay. Then here you will get that is ED is equals to 7.5. Okay. आता हेच तुम्ही answer इथे लिहिता. That is a chord AB and the CD intersect each other at the point D. Therefore, C, that is here C into ED is equals to A into EB. That is the theorem of internal division of chords. Next, here the value of C is a 12. 12 into ED is equals to 15 upon 6. Therefore, ED is equals to 90 upon 12. Okay. And the next division, that is ED is equals to 7.5. The next question, if C is 3, 5 and D is a minus 2, D is minus 2, minus 3. Okay, there is a minus 3. Then complete the following activity to find distance between C and D. Okay, this is the point C, x1, y1. D is minus 2, minus 3. This is the x2, y2. Formula, CD is equals to in root of x2 minus here x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square minus 2. There is a minus 3. Next y2 is minus 3 minus 5 bracket square. Value substitute करना. Minus 2 minus 3. You will get minus 5. Minus 5 square means what? Here 25. Okay. And या दोघांची addition करणार. Then here you will get CD is equals to 25 plus 64. Here 89. Okay. This is the CD. That is equals to in root of 89. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे answer बघू शकताय. Okay. The first is x1. Take the 3. minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 square is 25. Okay. And their addition is 89. That is the CD is equals to a root of 89. The activities तुम्ही इथे complete करू शकता. Now the next. Solve the following sub question. Any 4. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is 81 centimeter square. Area of triangle PQR is 121 centimeter square. If BC is equals to 6.3, then find QR. Okay. Now, as these two triangles are similar, this is the given. Therefore, by the theorem of areas of similar triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to 5. The ratio of squares of their corresponding sides means what BC square upon QR square. मग ABC किती आहे तर 81, PQR किती 121, BC 6.3 bracket square upon QR square. Okay. Square root घेणार इथे 9 upon 11, 6.3 upon QR. Therefore, QR is equals to 11 into 6.3 upon 9. त्याला division देणार, simplification करणार इथे. Okay. Then you will get QR is equals to 7.7 centimeter. Okay. इथे division करताना okay, QR is equals to 11 into 6.3 upon 9. मग इथे division करताना 9 ones and the multiplication 11 into 7, 0.7, that is nothing but the 7.7 centimeter. Therefore, QR is equals to 7.7 centimeter. Now the next question. In triangle PQR, angle P is 60. Okay. Q is 90. QR is equals to 6 root 3. This is the 6 root 3. Then find values of PR and PQ. Okay. PR and PQ. It is here. PR and PQ. In triangle ABC, angle P is a 60. Therefore, the measure of angle R is 30 degree. Okay. 30 plus 60, 90 plus 90, 180. Okay. Angle P is 60, angle Q is 90. Therefore, angle R is 30 degree. Remaining angle of a triangle. Triangle PQR is a. Now here we want to find out PR and PQ. We know the value of side QR, which is opposite to 60. Therefore, by 30, 60, 90 theorem, that is the side opposite to angle 60 is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Okay. पुन्हा आपण आपल्याला QR माहिती आहे. Therefore, QR is equals to root 3 upon 2 into PR. PR is the hypotenuse. Side opposite to angle 60. That is a 60 degree. QR दिले त्याने आपल्याला. QR is a 6 root 3. Here is a 6 root 3 is equals to root 3 upon 2 into PR. On both sides, that is a PR is equals to root 3 आहे. ते root 3 कट होणार. कशावर कट होणार ते बघा इथे. PR is equals to 6 root 3 into हा divided by 2. ह्या 6 root 3 ला इथे multiplied येणार. हे numeratorचं root 3 इकडे denominatorला येणार. Now here root 3 get cancelled. 6 into 2. That is a PR is equals to 12. म्हणजे काय तर हायपोटेनस येथे किती मिळाला आपल्याला तर 12 मिळाला. नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द PQ. PQ is the side opposite to angle 30. Therefore, by 30, 60, 90 theorem, side opposite to angle 30 is the half of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे PQ किती येणार तर इथे 6 येणार. Okay, see this here. Next, PQ is equals to 1 upon 2 PR, side opposite to 30 degree. Therefore, PQ is equals to 1 upon 2 into 12 and that is equals to 6 centimeter. And hence, the answer is PR is a 12 centimeter and PQ is a 6 centimeter. Find, next question, find the slope of a line passing through the point A 25 and B 4 minus 1. Okay. मग A चे coordinate किती आहेत x1, y1, B चे x2, y2. Slope means what? Difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. First sequence same घेणार यामध्ये y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is minus 1 minus 5. What is the y2? The y2 किती आहे तर minus 1 आहे. y1 is 5 minus 1 minus 5. x2 minus x1. x2 is 4 and x1 is 2. 4 minus 2. Minus 6 upon 2. And then you will get here minus 3. The slope of the line AB is minus 3. Easy question though. Next, draw a circle with center O, radius 3.2 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point P on it. Easy question. First, draw a circle with given radius and point P on it. म्हणजे इथे काय तर सर्कल ड्रॉ करणार. टेक दिस ॲज अ सेंटर. सर्कल ड्रॉ करणार. टेक द P ॲज अ पॉइंट. ड्रॉ टँजंट ॲट द पॉइंट P. कंपासने इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार तुम्ही आणि दोन्ही साईडला पेन्सिल इथे दोघा बाटला मार्क करणार. अँड टेक द डिस्टन्स मोर दॅन हाफ. म्हणजे इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार. मोर दॅन हाफ इथे हे डिस्टन्स आहे ना, वरच्या बाजूला या साईडला मार्क करणार आणि इथे मार्क करणार. टेकिंग this as a center. Keep the distance constant. Then take this as a center. Okay, इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार आणि पेन्सिलीने दोन्ही साईडला इथे काय करणार तर ते मार्क करणार. अँड जॉईन दिस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्टिंग ऑफ these two arc. हे दोन्ही इंटरसेक्ट होणारे आर्क काय करणार तर जॉईन करणार. यू विल गेट हियर दी टँजंट टू दी सर्कल ॲट द पॉइंट P. ओके, टँजंट मिळणार. नेक्स्ट, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 cm. The radius of sphere R is equals to 7 cm. Surface area, that is the formula for the surface area of the sphere is a 4 pi r square. Substitute the value. 4 pi is a 22 upon 7. R square 7 into 7. इथे 7 काय होणार तर कट होणार. That is a 4 into 22. 88 into 7. Therefore the surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeter square or the square centimeter. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is a 616 square centimeter. Easy question is. And in this way, we have completed the question number 2. आता question number 2 साठी किती टाइम लिमिट दिलं गेलं पाहिजे, त्यातल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुमच्या ह्या 8 मिनिटात संपल्या पाहिजे. आणि त्यातला बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B फॉर दी 18 मिनिट्स अँड टोटल तुम्हाला इथे 26 मिनिटात क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हा संपला पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A. कंप्लीट दी फॉलोइंग ऍक्टिव्हिटीज अँड रिराइट इट फॉर दी एनी वन. 3 मार्क्सला असणार आहे. इन ट्रायंगल PQR, सेगमेंट PS is a perpendicular to QR. Then complete the activity to prove that PQ square plus RS square is equals to PR square plus QS square. Okay, ही activity आपल्याला prove करायची आहे. Now see this here. In triangle PSQ, that is the measure of this angle is 90 degree. Okay, PS square plus QS square is equals to PQ square. Therefore, PS square is equals to PQ square minus QS square. This is the QS square. Okay, PQ square minus QS square. Similarly, in triangle PR square is equals to, okay, PR square is equals to PS square plus SR square. Okay, आता इथे बघा, PR square is equals to PS square plus SR square. इथे काय लिहिणार तर SR, this is the SR square. Therefore, PS square is equals to PR square minus SR square. SR square. Okay. Now from 1 and 2. In 1, you are getting the PS square म्हणजे काय तर PQ square minus QS square. आणि इथे देखील काय मिळते तुम्हाला, that is the PS square is equals to PR square minus SR square. These two are the equal and hence PQ square minus QS square. इथे किती असणार आहे तर QS square. PR square, here is a PR square minus RS square. Okay, minus RS square. नंतर मी ते शिफ्ट करणार. दॅट इज अ पी क्यू स्क्वेअर प्लस हा मायनस आहे तो इकडे आणणार. दॅट विल बिकम प्लस हिअर इज अ आर एस स्क्वेअर आणि हा क्यू एस स्क्वेअर या साईडला आणणार. दॅट विल बिकम दी प्लस. ओके, अँड इन दिस वे इट इज अ फोर. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी बघू शकता. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस ट्रायंगल. In triangle PSQ, PSQ is a 90. Therefore, PS square plus QS square is equals to PQ square. Therefore, PS square is equals to PQ minus QS square. हा फर्स्ट पार्ट झाला इथे. म्हणजे प्रत्येकदा काय तर PS ही साइड दोघं ट्रायंगलला कशी तर कॉमन आहे आणि ती आपण इक्वल करणार. नेक्स्ट इन ट्रायंगल PSR, PR square is equals PR square is equals to PS square plus RS square. Again find the value of PS square. PR square minus RS square. Okay. Now from 1 and 2. Okay. This is the 1 and this is the 2. 1 and 2. Equate it. PQ square minus QS square is equals to PR square minus RS square. Therefore PQ square. Okay. Minus RS square इकडे आणणार. हे minus QS इकडे आणणार. And hence it is a proof. Easy activity. Next. Measure of arc of a circle is 36 degree and the length of is 176 centimeter. Then complete the following activity to find the radius of circle. The measure of arc theta is equals to 36, area is 176, length of arc L is equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the 2 pi r. Okay. Now the next, the length of arc आपल्याला त्याने दिलेले, that is equals to 176, 36 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Okay. इथे किती येणार 176. इथे डिव्हिजन देणार ते. That is you will get here 1 upon 10 into 44 upon 7 into r. And overall r is equals to 176. 10 into 7, you will get here 70 upon 44, and the after the division here you will get 4. Okay, that is 176 upon 44. You will get here 4, and hence r is equals to here 280 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते आन्सर चेक करू शकताय. First is 2 pi r. Okay, it's a 2 pi r. Next is 176. Division किती तर 1 upon 10 येणार. 176 into 70 upon 44. त्याचं division किती आलं 176 upon 44 4, and hence the radius of the circle is equals to 280 centimeter. Okay. या प्रकारे त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपण इथे कंप्लीट करतो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व दी फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चन. ओके, एनी टू फॉर दी 6 marks. Prove that the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any transversal by the same parallel line. Here the lines A, B, C are 3 parallel lines. The intercept made on the line L, that is a LM upon MN, is equals to the intercept made on any other line, any other transversal, that are the equal. म्हणजे काय तर XY upon YZ हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. Okay. Now the given, what we have given, the 3 lines are parallel, 1, 2, 3. Therefore we will write here line A is a parallel to line B is parallel to line C. Transversal P intersect the lines, intersect the line L, line ABC at the point L, M, N, okay, respectively. Then the another transversal Q intersect the lines ABC at the point X, Y, Z respectively. हे सर्व काय करणार तर ते गिवन मध्ये लिहिणार. Next, what we want to prove that the intercept Lm upon Mn is equals to xy upon yz. This we want to prove. Construction इथे करणार, that is a join LZ. या प्रकारे इथे तो join करणार. Let the segment LZ intersect the segment MY at the point K. This is the MY at the point K. Okay, such that M dash K dash Y and L dash K dash Z. Okay, and in this way. Now in triangle LNZ, LNZ, what's happening? MK is a parallel to NZ. This is the given. Therefore, by basic property theorem, Lm upon Mn is equals to Lk upon Kz. This is the first one. Then the triangle LZX. The Ky is a parallel to Lx. Therefore, again by basic property theorem, that is a Lk upon Kz. Lk upon Kz is equals to xy upon yz. This is the second one. And therefore from 1 and 2. This is the 1. And from the 1 and 2. या दोघांना कॉमन काय? That is Lk upon Kz. Lk upon Kz हा कसा आहे तर कॉमन आहे. मग काय मिळेल आपल्याला? Lm upon Mn. Lm upon Mn is equals to xy upon yz. Therefore from 1 and 2. या दोघांमध्ये कॉमन कट करणार आणि अनकॉमन त्या ठिकाणी घेणार. Therefore Lm upon Mn is equals to xy upon yz and hence it is a proof. Okay. Easy theorem आहे तो prove that करण्यासाठी आलेला. Okay. Now the next question. Draw a circle with center O and the radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord Mn of length 5.7 centimeter in it. Construct tangent at point M and N to the circle. Okay. Now first of all, draw the circle with the center O. 3.4 centimeter circle draw करणार. Next, आपल्याला इथे chord draw करायचे 5.7 centimeter. त्यामुळे तुम्ही कंपास मध्ये 5.7 सेंटीमीटरचा डिस्टन्स घेणार आणि पेन्सिलीने इथे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मार्क करणार. ओके. आणि जे काही डिस्टन्स 5.7 सेंटीमीटर कंपास मध्ये घेतलं असेल ते इथलं पोलादी टोक इथे ठेवणार आणि पेन्सिलीच्या टोकाने या ठिकाणी असा मार्क करणार अँड देन जॉईन दिस पॉइंट. देन दिस इज नथिंग बट दी Mn. ओके. हा Mn तुम्हाला इथे कॉर्ड मिळाला असेल. या M ला इथे आपल्याला टँजंट ड्रॉ करायचे. देन by using the compass म्हणजे पोलादी टोक इथे ठेवणार. टेकिंग द सम सुटेबल डिस्टन्स या दोन्ही साइडला काय करणार इथे मार्क करणार. देन टेक this as the center. ओके. मोर दॅन हाफ डिस्टन्स घेणार. वरच्या साइडला आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. इथे खालच्या साइडला आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. नंतर टेकिंग द सेम डिस्टन्स अँड कीप दिस ॲज अ सेंटर. या साइडला इथे आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. इथे आर्क ड्रॉ करणार and join the point of intersection of these two arcs. This is the first tangent to the circle at the point M. Similarly, या N च्या ठिकाणी पण tangent draw करणार. ओके. हे इथे first of all वाढवणार हा radius and take N as a center. Take some suitable distance. इथे दोन्ही साइडला काय करणार तर arc draw करणार. इथे हे सेंटर घेणार. more than half distance घेणार दोन्ही साइडला. टेकिंग दिस ॲज अ सेंटर. इथे फर्स्ट आर्क ड्रॉ करणार आणि खाली पण आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. कीप द सेम रेडियस सेम डिस्टन्स ठेवणार इथे. टेक दिस ॲज अ सेंटर. इथे आर्क ड्रॉ करणार आणि या साइडला आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. देन द जॉइन दिस यू विल गेट दी सेकंड टँजंट ॲट द पॉइंट N and these are the two tangents. Okay. दोन्ही tangents तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता. नेक्स्ट, प्रूव्ह दॅट 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Very easy question आहे तो. Now the LHS 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. याच्या न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनोमिनेटरला sec theta त्याच्या कॉन्जुगेटने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं sec theta plus tan theta. ओके. 1 into sec theta plus tan theta is a sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. That is, you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. But what is the value of sec square theta minus tan square theta? By the identity, sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, sec square theta minus tan square theta that is equals to 1. म्हणजे इथे किती आलं तर 1 आलं. And hence sec theta plus tan theta upon 1. Okay. And that is nothing but the RHS. And hence LHS is equals to RHS. Now the next. The radii of the top and the base of the frustum are 14 centimeter. Suppose this is the R1 and the 8 centimeter R2 respectively. If the height is 8 centimeter, find its curved surface area where pi is equals to 3.14. Okay. The radii of the top is R1, दिलेला R2. Okay. Height is 8 centimeter. Slant height लागणार आपल्याला इथे L is equals to in root of h square plus R1 minus R2 bracket square. Substitute the value 8 square plus 14 minus 8 bracket square. 8 square means what? 64, 36. That is the root of 100. And that is equals to 10. Therefore, this slant height L is equals to 10 centimeter. Curved surface area, that is a pi in bracket R1 plus R2 into L. 3.14 into 14 plus 8 into 10. And therefore, you will get here 3.14. हे किती येणार त्यांचं 20 into 10. That is a 220. Multiplication is a 690.8 centimeter square. And therefore, the curved surface area of the frustum is 690.8 centimeter square. Okay. Easy question is. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपण या ठिकाणी पूर्ण केलेला आहे. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 च्या त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीसाठी तुम्ही 5 मिनिट्स देऊ शकताय. आणि जे काही दोन क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करायचे 3 मार्क्स आहे, यू कॅन गिव्ह दी टाइम फॉर दॅट सब क्वेश्चन 15 मिनिट्स तुम्ही देऊ शकताय. आणि 15 आणि 15 प्लस 5 यू विल गेट हियर दी 20 मिनिट्स फॉर दी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके. नाउ दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Solve the following sub question 82 8 marks. हे क्वेश्चन एक टेक्स्टबुकच्या बाहेरचे असतील, परंतु टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये असणाऱ्या क्वेश्चन वर डिपेंडिंगच क्वेश्चन ते असणार आहे. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90, angle BAC, this is the 90. Segment AP is perpendicular to BC. Point P is in between B and C. Point D is the midpoint of side BC. Then prove that 2 times AD square is equals to BD square plus BC square or CD square. Okay. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी त्याने राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल दिलेला आहे, डी हा पॉईंट दिलेला आहे आणि निश्चितच इथे पायथागोरस आणि अपोलिनियस आपल्याला अप्लाय करायचं आहे. ओके. वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द रिलेशन बिटवीन द AD square. Definitely it is a Apollonius प्रमेय. Now proof. In triangle ABC, what is the ABC? Angle A is a 90. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. This is the Pythagoras. In triangle ABC again, D is the midpoint. Okay, D ha midpoint hai. Therefore, by the Apollonius, what is that? AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times BD square plus 2 times AD square. Okay, D is a midpoint. AB square plus AC square 2 times AD square plus 2 times BD square. आपल्याला AD square फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, म्हणून AD square एका साइडला ठेवणार आणि रिमेनिंग पलीकडच्या साइडला जाऊ देणार. दॅट इज AB square plus AC square minus 2 times BD square. But what is the value of AB square plus AC square? AB square plus AC square is nothing but the BC square. This is from the 1. Okay. आता BC means what? See this here. BC is nothing but the 2 times BD. Okay, because the D is a midpoint. The BC is nothing but the 2 times BD. Therefore, this BC is replaced by 2 times BD bracket square minus 2 times BD square. म्हणजे 2 times BD bracket square means what? 4BD square minus 2BD square. 4BD square मधनं 2BD square गेला, you will get 2BD square. 2 times BD square means what? BD square plus BD square. Now here the D is a midpoint of the BC. Therefore 2 times BD square म्हणजे काय? तर BD square plus CD square or the DC square, and which we want to prove. Okay, this is. Therefore we write here BD square च्या ऐवजी काय लिहिणार आपण? तर CD square, and hence it is a proof. Easy question. Now the next. In the figure, in the above figure, chord AB is congruent to chord AD. Chord AB is congruent to chord AD. Okay. Chord AC and chord BD. This is the chord AC and the BD intersect each other at the point E. Then prove that AB square is equals to AE into AC. Okay, this we want to prove. आता या ठिकाणी दोन्ही chords त्याने AB and AD, these are the congruent. It means that the corresponding arcs are also equal. And what we want to prove that आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे तर AB स्क्वेअर, मग AB स्क्वेअर म्हणजे या ट्रायंगलची साइड आहे ती ABE and AE पुन्हा AB ची साइड आहे आणि AC मात्र नवीन जो ट्रायंगल तयार होईल ABC त्याची ती साइड आहे. Therefore we will join here. आपण हा इथे जॉइन करणार. Then we will consider the two triangles. कोणकोणते दोन triangles? The first triangle is ABE and the second triangle is ABC. How it is? First of all, हा एक अँगल त्या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल साठी कसा मिळणार आपल्याला ते कॉमन मिळणार. ओके. And what about the second angle? The second angle, that is ACB. The measure of angle ACB is equals to 1 upon 2 measure of arc AB. And the measure of angle ABE or ABD is equals to 1 upon 2 measure of arc AD. Okay. Therefore, these two arcs are congruent. Measure of these two arcs are congruent. आता first angle हा एक असा आला तर कॉमन आला. For the triangle, we consider the triangle. First triangle कुठला consider करणार आपण? That is a triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. This is the first triangle. And second triangle and triangle ACB. ACB. In these two triangles, we have the two angles are congruent. Therefore, they are similar by the angle-angle test. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. म्हणजेच काय मिळणार आपल्याला? AB upon AC is equals to B upon CB is equals to AE upon AB. काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला? We want to prove that AB square म्हणजे फर्स्ट अँड लास्ट रेशो कन्सिडर करणार. AB upon AC is equals to AE upon AB. Cross multiplication केलं तर that is you will get AB square is equals to AE into AC, and hence the theorem is proved. Okay. Now see this here. Draw segment BC. Okay. In triangle ABD, ABD, segment AB is a congruent to segment AD. This is the given. Therefore, their angles are also congruent. म्हणजेच हे दोन्ही angles कसे असतील तर ते congruent असतील. Angle ACB is a congruent to angle ADB. ADB. Okay. Angle inscribed in the same arc. Okay. It means that these two angles, that is the angle ABD and angle ACB, these two are inscribed in the same arc. Therefore, they have the same measure. म्हणजेच हे दोन्ही कसे असतील तर सेम असतील. but these two angles are equal. Therefore the angle, these two are also equal, and hence in triangle, that is the angle in triangle ABE and in triangle ACB, the angle ABE is a congruent to angle ACB. Okay, आणि दोन ट्रायंगल इथे मग आपण ते कन्सिडर करतो. These are inscribed in the same arc. Therefore, the angle ABD is congruent to angle ACB. That is, the angle ABE is a congruent to ACB. ABE is a congruent to AB is a congruent to ACB. This is first one. And what about this angle? Angle A is a common to both these. Okay. And there in triangle AB and the ACB, angle AB is a congruent to ACB. Angle BAE is a congruent to BAC. It's a common angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AATS. Their corresponding sides are in proportion, and therefore AB square is equals to AE into AC. आता या प्रकारे जरी हे प्रूव्ह केलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही इथे असं देखील प्रूव्ह करू शकता. That is, these two chords are congruent. Therefore, their corresponding arcs are also congruent, and hence the angle ACB inscribed the same arc, that is a BA. One of the angle ACB आपण इथे असं लिहू शकतो की angle ACB is equals to 1/2 measure of arc AB. Okay, हा first part देते हो ना. Second, angle ABD, it means angle ABE. Angle ABE is equals to 1/2 measure of arc AD. Measure of arc AD. But what about the measure of arc AB and AD? These are the corresponding arcs of these congruent chords. हे दोन्ही कसे आहेत? सेम आहे. Therefore, these two angles are also equal. असं देखील तुम्ही कन्सिडरेशन करू शकता. Okay, and hence by showing that these two triangles are congruent by angle test, and you will get the correct answer. That is the AB square upon. ते दोन्ही triangle similar दाखवू शकताय तुम्ही, and therefore their sides are in proportion, and hence you will get AB square is equals to AE into AC. Now the next question. A straight road leads to the foot of the tower of height 48 meter. From the top of the tower, the angles of the depression of two cars standing on roads are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between two cars. That is, root 3 is equals to 1.73. Okay. Now here the AB is the tower. If we observe the two cars, the angle of dispersion at B is 30 degree and at C is 60 degree. Height of the tower is 48 meter. Okay, see this here. AB represent the tower. Yeah. Next, C and D are the positions of the two cars. Angle EAD and angle EAC are the angles of dispersions. Angle EAD and angle EAC, the angles of the dispersion. Okay. Therefore, the first measure of angle, this is a 30. As these two lines are parallel, these are the alternate angles होतील ते. Next is 60. हा देखील काय होणार तर तो 60 होणार. Okay. Now these are the alternate angles. Angle EAD is equals to angle ADB, that is a 30. Angle EAC is equals to angle ACB. EAC. Angle EAC is equals to angle ACB, and the angle EAD is equals to angle ADB. Okay, these are the alternate angles तुम्ही तिथे ते लिहू शकता. Okay, therefore in triangle ABC, okay, tan 60 is equals to AB upon BC. Okay, tan 60 is equals to AB upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is 48 upon, okay, therefore 48 upon BC. Therefore BC is equals to 48 upon root 3. Numerator denominator ला अपन root 3 ने multiplied करना. Therefore you will get here 48 into root 3 upon 3. That is a 16. BC is equals to 16 root 3. Okay, the distance BC हे किती आले 16 root 3. Okay. Now the next, similarly in triangle ABD, tan 30 घेणार इथे ABD. Tan 30 is equals to AB upon BD. Okay. Tan 30 is equals to AB upon BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 48 and this is the BD. Therefore BD is equals to 48 into root 3. The distance between the cars, that is a CD. Okay, distance between the cars CD is equals to BD minus BC. BD minus BC. BD minus BC. BD is 48 root 3, 16 root 3. Subtraction करना, that is a 32 root 3. Substitute the value of root 3, 1.73, and therefore CD is equals to 55.36 meter, and hence the distance between the two cars is 55.36 meter. And in this way, we have completed here the question number 4. The question number 4 ला किती minutes तुम्ही ते दिले गेले पाहिजे, तर 15 minutes तुम्ही ते देऊ शकता. Okay. Now the next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Let M be a point of contact of two internally touching circles. Let line AMB be their common tangent. The chord CD of the bigger circle touches the smaller circle at point N. The chord CM and the chord DM of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at P and R respectively. From the above information, draw the suitable figure. Draw segment NR and the segment NM. Write the two pairs of congruent angles in smaller circle considering the tangent and the chord. By using the property which is used in B, write the two pairs of congruent angles in the bigger circle. Now first, the first point आपण या ठिकाणी ते बघणार. Okay, at the M be the point of contact of the two internally touching circles. Now see this here. These are the two circles. M is the point of the contact of these two circles. Next, let the line AMB be their common tangent. दोन सर्कल ड्रॉ इथे करणार. Okay. आणि त्यांचा common tangent. The common tangent is AMB. Okay. Next, the chord CD of the bigger circle touches the smaller circle at point N. This is the chord CD of the bigger circle touches the smaller circle at the point N. Okay. Now the next, the chord CM and the chord DM of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at point P and R respectively. The chord CM, okay, intersect the smaller circle at the point P, and the next chord bigger circle C, it intersect at the point R, okay, respectively. From the above information, draw the suitable figure. Okay, this is the figure. This is the figure. Next, draw segment NR and segment NM and write the two pairs of congruent angles in smaller circle considering the tangent chord property. Okay. आता इथे tangent chord property कशी? That is the angle DNR or RND. This angle is congruent to angle RMN. Okay, these two angles are congruent. What about the second? The second angle, that is the angle RNM. This is the RNM. It is a congruent to angle RMA. Okay, these two angles are congruent. So what is the first angle for the smaller circle? Angle DNR is congruent to angle RMN, and the second angle RNM is congruent to RMA in this way. Okay, and these are the now the next C. The C मध्ये काय? By using the property which is used in B, that is the tangent chord property. Write the two pairs of congruent angles in the bigger circle. कोणत्या दोन property? That is the tangent chord property. The first, this is the angle DCM. The angle DCM. Okay. It is a congruent to angle DMA. These two angles are congruent. And what about the another angle? Angle CDM. Angle CDM is congruent to angle CMB. This is the angle. These two angles are congruent. Okay. And hence, this is the angle DCM is congruent to angle DMA. And angle CDM is congruent to angle CMB by using the tangent chord property. Okay. And in this way, this question is completed. Now the next. Draw a circle with center O, radius 3 cm. Draw a tangent segment PA of the length root of 40 cm from an exterior point P. Okay. Now here, the first is, now this is the figure, rough figure, that is the O is the center, PA is the tangent. We know the length of this tangent segment, we will find out the OP. That is the distance of this point P from the center of the circle. Okay. Angle OAP is 90 by the tangent theorem. OP square is equals to OA square plus PA square. Okay. Therefore, OP square is equals to OA किती है? The 3i. PA किती? The root of 40 bracket square 9 plus 40. Okay. 49. OP is 7 centimeter. Taking the square root. OP is equals to 7. Okay. And from this distance, that is from the center of a circle, take the point P and draw the perpendicular and draw the corresponding arc. Then you will get the tangent. That is a PA as a tangent. Okay. आता इथे आपल्याला OP चं distance इथे मिळालेलं. Distance of point P from the center O is 7 cm. Now the steps of the construction. Draw a circle of the given radius and segment OP. Draw a perpendicular bisector to OP. Draw a semicircle with OP diameter. Draw the tangent segment PA or the ray PA. Okay. Okay. Draw the first of all circle with the radius 3 cm. Take the point P. नंतर ये more than half distance इथे घेणार. O इथे center consider करणार. Draw these two arc. Then take the P as a center. Draw the next arc. Draw the perpendicular. Taking, suppose that this is the point C. Take CO as the radius. Okay. Draw the semicircle. Okay. And the point of intersection is the A. And the join the AP, ray PA. Okay. And this is the root of 40 centimeter. So तुम्ही the construction करू शकता. And in this way, we have completed the question number 5 also here. या क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 साठी एकच तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करायचं असते. तुम्ही ते 10 मिनिट्स घेऊ शकताय. जर एखादा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला चुकीचा वाटत असेल, चूक असेल, तर तुम्ही तो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन 7 मिनिटात तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. आणि हे सर्व झाल्यानंतर 15 मिनिटात तुम्ही पेपर तुमचा पुन्हा चेक करा. तुमचे 120 मिनिट्स या ठिकाणी पूर्ण होतात. आणि या प्रकारे जर तुम्ही टाइम लिमिट जर दिलं तर निश्चितच तुम्हाला तुमचं टाइम मॅनेजमेंट हे करेक्ट होईल आणि तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये जो काही वेळ असेल तो पूर्णपणे त्या ठिकाणी मिळेल. ओके. अँड तुम्हा सर्वांना परीक्षेसाठी शुभेच्छा.